Hello, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable Hyper-V Manager or disable Hyper-V Manager. To start, on the search field, you type Hyper-V. Then you click on Turn on Window Features on. Then you click on Hyper-V. Then you take the necessary Hyper-V file. Then you click OK to install Hyper-V on your Windows machine. Now we are installing the Hyper-V on my window. Now after installing, you can use Hyper-V Manager, or to disable Hyper-V Manager, on the search field you type Control Panel. Then you click on Control Panel. Then you click on Window. You click on Turn Window Feature on or off. Then you untick the Hyper-V Manager to disable the Hyper-V Manager. Then you click OK. Now the Hyper-V Manager is disabled. After that, you can restart the machine. After restarting the machine, Hyper-V Manager will not be able to work again. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel to receive an update by clicking the bell icon. Thank you. Then you restart.